I have quite a few USB testers, but by far my favorite tester is this one because it's the quickest to use. So I don't have a battery in it, it's a rechargeable, and I didn't recharge the battery, so I'm just going to plug it into USB-C, and that will give us power. And now we can connect cables. So I'm going to go through and see which of these cables that I have in this pile are power cables only, and then which ones are data cables. And then you get more information than that. And you can see you've got USB A and C over here, and then over here you've got all this assortment of pretty much everything. And now we can tell with this one that it is a data cable, USB 2, and it is an also, it also has power. They're pretty much always going to have power, but now I can put these in kind of piles so that I know which ones are my fastest cables and which cables I don't need to bring with on a trip, let's say. And here we have micro USB. I haven't used one of these in a bit, so looks like it fits in here. And that's just a power cable. This is by far my favorite because it's the easiest to use. Hope this helps.